Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to NinjaTrader Live Arena Challenge Day. I'm Tracy Shuchart, Senior Economist. And before we get into the Arena Challenge, we'll go over some news items that happened this afternoon while we were away. We had Alphabet shares hit a record after Berkshire made a rare tech bet with $4.9 billion stake. Earlier, Alphabet, Google, rallied about nearly 6% to a record high. It has since come back a little bit, trading about 3.5% higher. The purchase was of 17.85 million Alphabet shares worth $4.93 billion. Then we have some ominous news. Stifel sees the S&P 500 falling 5% to 6350. They said on Monday that the S&P is facing additional downside to the tune of 5%, citing issues such as the Fed policy and high valuations. Bannister now expects the market to correct with the end of the central bank's free lunch of policy support, even as the market priced out recession risks as Donald Trump's tariff policies proved to be less severe than we initially thought. So there's kind of another call for the downside. Moving on to the oil front, we had Congress is moving on bipartisan Russians sanction bill. They've been talking about this for months. We'll see if it comes to fruition. We also had Chevron joins the race to explore potential purchases of Lukoil's assets. If you know, Lukoil's assets are under sanctions, and they are going to have to sell about $20 billion worth of international assets. If you want to know more about that, I did write a Substack on it. It's on my X account, pinned to the top. Next, we have Jefferson was speaking while we were away. He said the Fed needs to move slowly with further rate cuts. Currency policy stance is somewhat restrictive, but we have moved it closer to its neutral level, and that neither restricts or stimulates the economy. The evolving balance of risks underscores the need to proceed slowly as we approach the neutral rate. In other words, another hawk, basically saying, let's hold in December. So we'll see what happens with that. We did see markets move down a little bit on that. And then we have treasuries drift into no man's land as data finally returns. So treasuries are trading water. We kind of talked about this earlier today. They are in no man's land right now. We do have options expiry with over 4.5, let's call it, million shares of million options expiring this week in the 5, 10, and 30 year. But with the government shutdown now over, the BLS is set to release the delayed September payrolls on Thursday. So we'll have something to kind of finally anchor to, even if the figures probably will be stale and not collected correctly. So I personally think it's going to be a giant mess. That said, the 10-year yield remains pinned around 4.1%, holding the November range. I think that policymakers in general, between last week and this week, what we're hearing from central bankers is that we don't really have a green light for the December rate cut decision, yet that is pressuring equities to the downside. That is pressuring gold, silver, and other metals that do well under rate cut scene. So we'll have to see what happens with that. And of course, we'll obviously hear from more central bankers all week long. Then just a reminder, we do have NVIDIA's earnings on Wednesday, which may matter more to bonds than the stale payrolls print. So we have that to look forward to. Again, that will be Wednesday after the bell. We'll see how markets react to that. And last but not least, don't forget to register to win the swag giveaway today. The link is at the top of the chat. You still have a couple hours to register. And with that, I will hand it over to Jim for an Edge report.
Thank you, Tracy. We have some competition today in the challenge, in the Cup Challenge here, both with our featured traders and with everybody who's participating. We'll go over that in a little bit, but let's go ahead and start with the spoiler here. This was a kind of a, I don't know, a spanner in the works, as my UK friends would say. RTY, late addition to the roster here of tradable markets for the Cup. And this is a 30-minute candle chart. And you can see we've been trading below that session VWAP ever since 5 to 5:30 this morning. That's a 30-minute candle. VWAP has really been in the rearview mirror, and we have price separation just getting bigger and bigger between that VWAP and that point of control, which, by the way, are almost at the same price, 23.88, 23.89. We could round it up a little bit. We broke put support just now for the last, we wicked through it once. Now we're trading firmly below it. We have JAX 4 below that at 23.70. We have S1 below that. And then we have that one-day min, and I'm not giving anybody hints. I don't want to say, oh, he played favorites, but that one-day min is at 23.60 right here. Should this sell-off continue in the mighty Russell 2000? Let's go ahead and take a peek at gold as well, because it's another eligible market here. Let me find my GC contract. December contract still on the board, at least for another week or so. Let's go ahead and pop it up. We have pretty nice, I don't know, volume profile, almost picture perfect bell-shaped Gaussian distribution right now. Point of control, yeah, I mean, it's not dominant point of control. It's a pretty good one, though, 40.74-ish. Right now, though, the story is VWAP again. We pretty much wicked through the VWAP from the downside up a bunch of times, but we don't have a body of a candle really closed above it, except for this one right here, and that was only for a brief period of time. And boom, sellers are back in charge here. We have that high vol level also at 40.70, and that's kind of where gamma flips the positive negative on this contract, and we're right at it right now. And as a matter of fact, we've traded through that 49.70 level for just about every single candle beginning before the initial balance even started here. Let me wake up my mouse here. So we'll see if this continues to be value area trading. In other words, getting long at the bottom of the value area, maybe trying to get short at the top, or at least get short at that VWAP right here. So slightly negative, but not really, really kind of sideways. Let's take a look at crude oil. Same story really with crude, although we had that early morning distribution on the south end of this chart, but right now really it's a really nice Gaussian shaped distribution for the value area right now. The opposite is true though. VWAP is holding a support here, right? It's not resistance, it's support. We keep bouncing off it a few times. We have price separation between it and price right now at 60.01. So this is telling me buyers are more in charge than the sellers that we saw in the last chart. Again, point of control is pretty prominent here. It's acting like a magnet. If you just kind of glance across it, these are 30-minute candles. Every single 30-minute candle except 3 from 5 o'clock in the morning is traded at this price. So I'm going to declare this price happiness, and we'll see if that continues to act as a magnet. Top of the initial balance, forget about it. That's not cooperating. That's resistance. We have serious resistance here at crude oil. And then lastly, but not leastly, let's just shoot over to the E-mini S&P real quick. We'll pop up that chart and we'll get right to the main event here. Relatively tight range right now above VWAP. We're selling off. This is just looks like a little systematic sell-off going on. You saw it in the Russell. We're seeing it here in the E-mini S&P. We have a target wick right down here. I love these target wicks. You have this big probe right here at 67.14.5. We'll see if we can get back down there or not. Right now, we're kind of just sitting at that JAX 2 level. Below that's JAX 4. And then that one-day min's pretty far away. We'd have to have probably some pretty super excitement to get here 66.85 today, but it could happen as well. We'll see. We still have that point of control a little bit further north, though, which is looking pretty good to me. And then another volume node here, which is also pretty strong as well, at 67.46. So that is today's Edge Report. I do want to remember, as Tracy reminded us, swag giveaway. We're going to announce the winners at 4 o'clock. You don't have to be present to win, but pop back in later on. I mean, don't leave, for goodness sake. But we're going to go ahead and give that swag giveaway. One of them is this super cool hoodie, which I wear all the time. It is very, very awesome. So we appreciate everybody being here. We appreciate the thumbs up. We appreciate the subscriptions. So let's get to it, man. We have our distinguished traders with us today. We have Nick for a Tick, XYZ. Carmine is with us today, and we have Selma. Good afternoon, folks. How's everybody doing?
Good afternoon, Jim.
Hey, Jim.
Wow, let's go around the horn real quick. Nick, what are you thinking, man? You went from riches to rags to riches. You're on top of the featured trader
Yeah.
leaderboard right now.
So a classic day of trading for me where, I'm long the low of the day, kind of off the open and fumble taking profit way too early and then try to short it on the way up, followed by actually catching the short, riding it down, taking the lead and basically just being able to sit on my hands the rest of the day. And apparently so far, uh, get myself into the power hour final, if we're going to call it that. Um, and then decided to just continue to take paper cuts, had a rogue RTY order, and caught a couple nice trades in gold and NQ to get myself all the way back down. I'm actually going to share the P&L curve chart on X later, but it was very much a situation where I was back and then it was over and now we're back again. So what a wild day.
Well, yeah, I love the resilience. I love the resilience. Let's shoot over to Carmine. Carmine, what are you thinking for the rest of the afternoon here?
For the rest of the afternoon, I mean, the market's pretty much kind of just ping-ponging back and forth. I feel like there's a lot of, volatility, which is kind of good for everybody. It's going up, it's going down. And when you catch the move and, you got the momentum in your favor, you're going to make some serious profit on it. As far as what I'm looking for right now, I don't really have much. I'm kind of just being a little more patient. Mainly how I trade is I take my setups usually in the first 2 hours or so. So right now I'm kind of, I learned my lesson from the last qualifying round, trading so many different instruments and just trading randomly. And I really tried just taking my, normal setups and not deviate away from it. So, until I see something, I'm going to be sitting sidelined.
All right, all right. Well, I love it. We'll be looking forward to your trades. XYZ, what are you thinking, buddy?
Um, I'm down horrendous right now, but yeah, I think I can pull some of this back. I'm trying to get some longs at these lows. Pretty sure I'm just gonna stick to reversion. Short gold. I feel like I've been sitting in this gold short for 3 hours. So I'm long ES, I'm long NQ, short gold, and we're gonna see what happens.
All right, all right. Well, there's a lot of trading left, so it's not over until it's over. And let's save Selma for last. Selma's a fan favorite in the chat, and she is here live. Selma, what are you thinking?
Hi, Jim. Honestly, I'm with XY on here. I'm long only because NQ is holding. This candle didn't make a new low, didn't go past the 1 p.m. candle. And I think the Russell is probably the weakest. That's what I have right now. I'm long and hoping that we can go back up a little bit here. Kind of gave some away while you were chatting, Jim. I was in first place and now I don't even know where I am.
Well, I'm going to shut up in a minute so you'll catch up.
Nah, it's not your fault. It's not your fault. I front ran longs thinking, we'd kind of hold here.
All right, so anybody can win still. We got some keen competition. And in the overall scheme of things, we have Alfie in first place with Jay the Chef second, Orlando 2 in third. I don't know what happened to Orlando 1. Winter 176 is in fourth, and AA Rico is in fifth. Very close for the $100,000 grand prize. So we're going to have an exciting finish here. Wish you folks, brave traders in the chat today. Appreciate you being here. But again, XYZ, Carmine, Nick Furtick, Selma, let's give a thumbs up right now. Hit that thumbs up button. Do not hesitate. Hit the subscribe button. I am going to leap into the chat right now. Wish you traders the best of luck.
Thanks, Jim.
All I'm saying is I kept watching the leaderboard today and I saw Nick from down minus 800 to up top. Talk about
Yeah.
volatility in the market. I've seen volatility in your placement.
I mean, if anyone wants to see this shenanigans, well, I guess if you want to go full screen to mine, you can actually see it, but can't really zoom in here, but you see, like we started off barely green, went $1,000 red, $1,200 up, back to break even, and then basically where we are now, currently sitting in a gold short, and kind of just going to sit on my hands, to be honest. Just gonna see how things shake out here. I don't feel like giving anything back with the lead at this point. We'll kind of watch this gold trade and see if I need to.
Long or short gold?
I am short gold from 81 and a half.
I had earlier in the day, I think it was like 480 something in P&L, and I was like, I could just park right here next to Carmine and I'll probably be all right. And then I was like, nah, I gotta hit four figures. I think people are gonna start going crazy. I need to get to at least like 900 to 1K. And now I'm down horrendous.
That's usually how it happens. You start trying to. I mean, I learned, like, here we go, guys. I could have just sat on my hands and really just taken this gold trade and not fumble my way. You know what happened? I started watching and I saw Tanya creeping back up a little bit. She was like at 500, then she was at 8, and I was only at 11. I'm like, all right, let me try to catch a trade here. And I tried to call the bottom too early, paper cut, and then started trying to fade it on the way up while simultaneously realizing I had a rogue rusty order that
Oh yeah,
just
and then
bad.
I found out when you guys all found out that we can trade a mini Russell. And I was like, I
Yes.
should put that on, but I was like, no, you know what? I'm too lazy to just throw that on now. I'm gonna stick with what I got. Probably
The
for the best.
I think I made maybe like $30 trading it in the first part of the day, and then I had the order that probably lost me like 400 because it was just sitting on the dom still. So I wish I just never even touched the rusty until I kind of caught it on the way back down.
I
Oh
hope you do
man,
it again.
maybe we'll see what happens here. We are kind of pushing up here on the indices.
Nick,
I'm
I'm
really
coming for
pissed.
that first place spot.
It was annoying that we just didn't take out the like IB low, or we kind of did on ES, but like didn't make a violent new low there on either.
Yeah.
Annoying, you said?
Yes. Annoying. Thank you. We were waiting for that.
Everyone, everyone saw it coming.
But I'm just gonna manage this gold short.
Dude, I have been sitting in this gold short at 77. How long has it been? It's been an hour.
I'm back. I'm back, baby.
Uh-oh.
I'm
What's
back.
happening? Let's go.
Uh-oh.
I'm back.
Oh man. NQ just
I'm back.
shot out of a cannon.
I think we can actually probably hit 75 on NQ. Have you guys been trailing your stops or not really?
I've just been mismanaging positions
Classic.
in
That was
every
me
way
in the
possible.
morning, if it makes you feel any better.
Are they gonna shake me out of this gold trade?
I feel like a date like today, you got to trail. It's also hard with micros.
Yeah,
Yeah.
one lot MNQ has been pretty tricky, not gonna lie. I'm always in between, like, I'm gonna hold this thing. No, I'm going for it, and then it's like, oh, I'll start to scale out. You know what? I'll trail this. I'll just flatten it, and then now I'm in the wrong direction, and then all over again. It's been a mess. Has anyone? Is my mic screwed up right now?
Yeah. Let me see.
No, you're good, XY.
Has
Mic
anyone
am I
hit
using?
4 digits?
I'm using the right mic on my output.
Wow, there's people with like 5K almost P&L on this leaderboard.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
don't know
they
how they're
probably
doing that.
caught the 4 violent rotations we've kind of had today, top to bottom.
I know.
Well, I'm short MES right now too.
100K on the line.
Just got stopped out of Russell.
That first place ranking is close with second.
That's so insane. 43, 46, 47.
Damn. It's a
Hey, Nick,
nasty
you're at
wick.
4 digits.
Yeah. But I've also been at 4 digits like 5 times today. So I could have, for all I know, I could be at the top of the leaderboard with everybody else if I did not completely mismanage several trades today.
You're at the one spot just the same as earlier, but
with a
with five
lot
times the
more
effort.
with a lot more mental capital spent. I can tell you that much to claw my way back here.
Are you still in a trade?
Yeah, I'm still short MES and short gold.
Damn, that was a good short.
Yeah,
Nice
came right
job.
back in there. I kind of was front running the opening range, the 5-minute mid. But
Leo would be proud.
oh yeah. But we'll see. They're trying to push this.
I think I just have to hold my current positions until the end. That's all it is. That's all I can do.
Today was definitely a scalper's day. Take your profit and run.
Yeah, seriously. Have any of you guys traded Russell? Like
I
today?
did. This morning I was down, I think 1,000, and
Off
then I
the Russell?
realized no, just like I don't even know what I was doing this morning, honestly. But like then I realized I could trade the Russell, and I've never traded before. So I was like, oh, let me try this out. Hit a trade, and I was back to break even, and it's been great. But yeah, this move's so weird. I'm not used to this.
XY, I've been like crazy watching GC to manage this trade for some reason, despite getting in it basically back in the opening range.
You
But
short right now, GC?
yeah, I've been short
All right,
81 and a half.
I'm gonna need you to flatten that for me.
No, you're not.
Go ahead.
You're
Go
not
ahead and
catching
just
up.
log off for me.
You might as well start shorting everything at this point and just hoping for the best.
I'm sitting long ES and Q, and it's like coming back to my entry right now. And I'm trying to get a cover on gold at around 66.
Nick, those shorts are definitely working in your favor right now.
They are. And if anyone knows like the type of day that, I mean, XY knows the type of environment that I will have a very good day, it's a tape like today that has had these chaotic,
sure.
stupid
Yeah.
rotations and NQ of 200-300
Yeah.
points back and forth several times. Like that's a day that I'm like scalping and picking it apart because it kind of is that weird mean reversion with a very wide range that I can do well in.
Yeah, it's definitely some Nick tape.
Yes, it is.
What a short. It's pretty nasty lows,
Oh, wow.
especially for ES.
I basically did top tick that short. I just realized 36 on the reoffer. All right. Stops on both of these trades are trailing in profit.
Damn, good stuff, Nick.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm just patiently waiting here.
Everyone in the top spot right now, just really, really patient, just waiting. Everyone in drawdowns, just like, no, I need to be in a trade.
XY, I'm just hoping Nick overtrades here. And then I just swoop in, take a quick little trade.
Let's see.
Joking.
My unrealized is like $500. I've got stops in profit, so
a lot can happen in the
yes.
span of an hour, it looks like, especially for Nick.
I think
Oh,
we
yeah.
can still trade till 5.
Nick's
Oh, God. Okay,
Nick's
well-
P&L is like a penny stock right now.
I am. Well, you know
Wait,
what's funny?
I
What
lied.
got me out of my original shorts too, XY, is I was short ES and NQ from like 260 and like 58s from like the early part of the session. So I was like, I need to get out of this arena trade because I'm trying to actually manage my cash account, and this is a big move back down.
Dude, you guys are so crazy. I'm hearing some people are trading their cash account with the arena. I'm like, dude, no way. No way.
Well,
I
I
did
got
that during
into those. I mean, well, yeah, it was a mistake, but it worked out for me in both.
My brain would blow up with the account.
But that's why I was like, I need to get out of the trades in theory that matter but don't matter.
Carmine,
Oh,
you're
I'm about
still
to
hanging
cover.
out.
I'm gonna
I'm
cover
hanging out,
that
yeah.
one.
I'm mainly just focusing on the S&P today. I mean, last time I traded, you know, every instrument possible at the same time.
Yeah, it seemed like I was in the first round. It seemed like first round people took it a little too serious, and then second and third round kind of just went all degen.
Yeah, it was bad.
I'm gonna
That was a
cover
nice
this.
short, Nick, on ES.
Thank you.
Yeah, that was awesome.
I hate it.
Me too.
I know you do. I'm
Oh, you're
surprised you weren't
long?
in
Oh, yeah,
that
you said
trade,
you
to
were
be
long.
honest.
I was long, that's why. I was like,
Oh,
well,
yeah.
I got no choice but to hold this just in case it works. I'm about to cover this
I
gold short
grinded
right
my
now.
ass off.
Guys, ES is below quarterly open and NQ is still way above it. NQ has a long ways to go.
I'm out of that
Like
gold
80 more
trade.
points.
I could see, I might cover ES here. I'm finger on flatten.
Yeah, I have a level here at 708.
Yeah, I've got 710s and change, so I'm just gonna watch this. ES at the very least.
Have you guys been watching the Russell all day? Well, since you found out that you can trade it?
No, I just use it to help me get back, but it also got me in a lot of trouble, so I just decided that's enough.
I'm too lazy to put it on my charts, so I
It's
have no
been
idea.
leading. It's been leading this drop. It's been very weak.
I feel like that's the story of Russell all the time.
Yeah,
Is
I
it?
went into today thinking if I'm going to trade the Russell, I don't think I can ever actually long it. I don't think I have that in me. It was originally at one point I was short the Russell, long NQ, because that's the only thing that makes sense to me.
Fractal, no, I don't have a minimum size for my cash account. It's all dependent on dollar risk. Sometimes I'll be able to, like you guys seen it. I've gotten 8 lots, 10, 11. Sometimes I can only get like 3. It really
All right.
depends on the risk that I have to put on. I can't just bang out certain numbers of lots all the
I'm
time.
I'm out of ES short.
Nice.
Yeah, this is that 710 spot. It's also the V range XY sitting down here.
I'm waiting for it. I'm definitely waiting for it. They finally cleared this low, so that helps.
I'm also watching GC. Do I need to get out?
Earlier this morning, I was trading on the, I guess, second qualifier account instead of the champion account. For some reason, it's in my NinjaTrader. So I was putting trades on thinking it was like this, the account for the championship, in the qualifying account. Oh, geez. Let's see.
Oh, it's still puking.
What the heck is going on?
Yeah.
Hey, new player. New player in the chat.
New player?
New player. I'm thinking I'm gonna get this long, Nick.
This thing's really
Mm,
going, huh?
Yeah.
I'm actually pissed.
The way you know it was going to roll over is because I covered. That's how you know it's got more juice in it.
I'm trying to get along.
You guys have any level here on ES? Like the only level I have is 70. The next level, I should say.
700s would
even
be
have
like the
an
next thing
Well,
I'm looking
besides
at down here.
700.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
695 or yeah.
99s, 700.
Oh, Chris said 693.
All right. I am all flat currently. I'm gonna wait, engage this because GC is also coming into that like 40 60s area that we could easily bounce from. So I'm just gonna
Yeah, I flattened my
watch
short
you
on gold.
guys.
Trying to
Nick, I
catch
don't
up.
like how big of a lead you have.
Yeah. I mean, I've got a
This-
$600 lead. I guess I'm going to be sitting here for the next 2 hours. So I might as
I
well get
don't-
comfy and just wait.
I don't like this.
My ass is clenched. I'm telling you guys.
I'm sure it is XY.
I'm actually
Uh,
long. I'm
I hope they
long
clip that.
Oh,
full
boy.
size right now.
You're long here?
I'm long, yeah.
I low-key want to look for a retest to short.
Well, I hope that it gets there for the retests and it blows out all the shorts.
Chill. Chill. Please chill.
Respectfully.
All right, I have my limit set. Let's see.
What's up, you guys?
Hello.
Did
What's
we
up, Salty?
fix?
Good
Did we
morning.
fix the mic?
Yeah, I think so.
Yep, we can hear you.
Cool.
Awesome. What's your charity of choice, Nick? Guys, we're doing a donation in the winner's name. It's to St. Jude, I believe. It's for the kids. XY, you got long on that low?
Yeah, I'm long.
Everything?
Cute. I'm thinking. I'm like looking at gold. I'm like, should I just bang this long right now?
You just
Might as
reverse
well. I'm like, I might
everything.
as well. All right, I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
You might as well long the Russell too while you're
I
at
mean,
it.
I'm down so bad right now. I gotta get down bad. So
At least you're not even like last. So you're good.
yet.
No,
Let's see
you're
what
far
happens.
you're far from being last.
We will see what happens. Things change real quick in this competition, it looks like.
Well, since I am currently flat, XY, do you want to share?
Sure. Sure.
Oh yeah, I can let someone else share too.
How do I
I just pulled mine, so go for it.
share? Are we good?
Look at that position tracker.
Look
I mean,
at that.
you might as
Okay,
well-
gold's about to die right
It doesn't
now.
look like we're gonna get that retest.
Yeah, gold is still rolling over.
Yeah, there's gold.
But I mean, everything's still puking.
You know what? Dump it all.
Order submitted.
Oh, my NQ still alive.
Who just
Not for
submitted an
long.
order?
Yeah, I was about to say.
Someone just submitted an order. Heard that one.
Who was it?
Just put in a limit, nothing crazy.
We're pretty close to that quarterly open on NQ now. 30 points or so.
Nobody past Nick. You need him to win. Why do you need me to win? It's not like there's poly market odds.
He's got some side bets.
If there was, I probably wouldn't have been the favorite again, just like last time.
No, please root for me.
God, this is.
Nick, I told you that it's not over
Melting
till the
down.
fat lady sings.
Are you coming back?
No, I meant when I commented that on your
Oh, yeah.
Twitter. Yeah, there's
Yeah, at
always
least
a
you-
comeback.
At least you believed in me.
I do. I believe in all you guys.
But it was like perfect. The second it's like the classic screenshot fallacy, or if you send the trade. So I
Screenshot
posted the
curse, man.
leaderboard. What?
Real screenshot curse?
Yeah, basically was that.
So
where
real.
I posted it on X, the leaderboard, and then naturally I completely went from plus 1,000 to down 1,000
It's-
shortly thereafter. And so my own tweet aged very, very well.
All right, Nick, when do I buy this?
I might buy right now.
Because if
I should have
can't short it,
chased.
I'll never win. I'll never pull back on this leaderboard if I short this. Every
See
bid
if
is
we get
getting
this.
killed.
I think we get that sweep on NQ.
Are buyers dead? Looks like it.
Mm-hmm.
What dumped us?
Every
What was the
bid
news?
they're putting in is getting just chewed through. Unless.
Oh God. Oh, there it goes.
All right.
I mean, I can share if you want. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see if they can hold this low here.
I just stopped sharing.
All right. I'm long 97 ES. I don't know why. Well, I
Can
know why,
you
but
can
I
you
don't know why
flatten
I'm
that?
still trading.
Flatten that, Nick. You gotta flatten that.
I probably should.
Flatten that.
No, keep it on, and I hope we knife.
I mean, we could. We're only down. We're still down like less than a percentage. I don't know why we sold off so violently though.
Yeah, I tried looking for news. There wasn't any. Not that I could find, at least.
I mean, just kind of a nasty day overall with the whipsaw that we've kind of seen.
Looks like gold wants to run down. Maybe in the 50, 51s. We need to see buyers actually cross the spread above these 99s.
You're long, XY?
I'm long. Let's see. Where is this? I can't even see where I'm long. I think 96. I'm long 96 and 8.
There we go.
869. 869 NQ. Yeah, there's a lot of buying that's coming in that wasn't getting rewarded, but the selling actually started to taper off a little bit.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it looks pretty
So
good.
I'm like, all right. They're not
Oh
gonna
my
push.
God.
We're also bouncing at Friday's last Friday's open.
Yeah. Nick, you find that yet?
No,
You go ahead and find that for me.
I'm long. I am still a trader at the end of the day. Kind of wish I just took that in the cash count, but we'll see. No,
Order
I don't
flow
think
was
I'm going to
good.
touch that one.
Order flow was nice there.
Yes, it was. And there's still time to enter the giveaway for all of the fun NinjaTrader swag. Their link is actually posted in the chat. You actually don't even need to be present to receive said gift if you are one of the winners. I think we're giving away 3 packages, if I remember hearing Deli correctly this morning.
The stuff is actually pretty nice.
It is.
I'm
I was gonna
surprised
say
they
that,
spent that kind of
yeah.
money.
Very comfortable. Really, really cool stuff. The stickers are funny.
The
If you've been
fit
listening to
is
us
nice.
since March, there's plenty of inside jokes, I guess, that exist on those stickers. So should give you a little laugh.
Wonder whose idea those stickers were.
I don't
Either
know, but it was
Savannah or
funny.
Shab. Good afternoon, Shab.
Oh no. They got me.
You're out?
Well, I trailed out because
Mm.
I'm not giving money back.
Yes, you are. Just do it. You can do it.
I mean, I could have just still been sitting in all my shorts, I guess.
This is such a tricky spot here.
Yeah. What is NQ doing?
Whoa, Nick, you're up by 200, almost 300.
I'm up by 600.
Yeah, 600.
No, from second.
Oh,
You got like a $300 lead almost
wait, from what?
from versus second place from Tanya.
No,
No,
Tanya's.
he's up much more than that.
Yeah,
it?
refresh. Hit refresh, bro.
Let me turn it off and turn it on again.
Yeah.
Oh,
He's up,
Jesus.
He's up 1.4K.
Okay. Is Nick the greatest trader of all time?
Absolutely not. I'm a good boy. I barely traded on Friday. Had the 1-year-old's birthday party on Saturday. Didn't even look at Globex really last night.
G line.
The G line is way higher.
I know. I just wanted to say that.
Oh yeah. I forgot about that. You were on that stream.
Yeah. How dare you forget?
When you've been streaming in the afternoon and as many streams I feel like at this point at XY and I have been on NC Live, it's just like they sometimes blur together now.
Mm-hmm. Yes, for me long ago.
Mm-hmm. Well, as is tradition, my trailed stop was your signal to apparently get long.
Yeah, I'm still sitting this. I'm long everything. Gold, ES, NQ.
If this works, Nick, I'm coming for that #1 spot.
I don't know if anyone's going for the number
Oh,
one
if
spot at
this
point.
trade hits, you best believe.
Watch, what he's gonna do is if you start to tail him long, he can just get long too.
That's true.
Keep
And
that
stop
buffer.
giving him ideas. Don't
Playing
give
some
him
defense,
ideas.
you know.
I think I need to go back over Nick's playbook again. So my playbook is basically the abbreviated version of XY's and Leo's. So
Nick's hiding the sauce, man.
Godspeed. No, we all trade very similar styles. I'm just probably gonna articulate the information a little different than my friends here will. And yeah, only chapter 1 of mine is even out, so I'll keep crunching away. We're gonna do some other videos of it too, because I can't keep typing for hours, as XY learned typing out all of his.
Yeah, it is hard. It is hard. Formatting it, making it make sense.
It's a lot.
So if you guys want to know how to be down $1,000, it is out there. The information is out there. I'm painting the tape.
And I pay for it.
And it's free.
What is this price action?
Oof,
Yeah.
that's nasty.
At least these gold longs are working.
Is gold finally moving?
Gold's moving.
Let's check that out. Oh wow. You caught the bottom on that?
I'm in at 60 after the sweep.
That's good
60
though.
even is my entry.
This is getting ugly.
She got stopped out. This is not fun.
Yeah, there's just nobody stepping in front of this.
It might just drag this down on NQ all the way to 750, 740s.
I feel like I can sense Pax seeing us try to long this low and being like, what the hell are you guys doing? Like I can just feel him. He's probably in the chat somewhere, I'm sure, but because we are well below now.
760s
The
can definitely
Orlo.
trade another 100 points.
I mean, this is not typically somewhere that I would take along, but
I know it's
Well,
it's one of those things.
today there's no
Today you
choice.
kind of do weird things
Yeah,
when you're
today
like,
you've
trying
got
to
no
I'll
choice.
make
sit
up
there
points.
Today is a different day. I think if Nick and I were trading, we would have been done in our first 30 minutes.
Yeah, I would.
Today was a good lesson for us, right? It
outside.
was, you made all your money and gave it all back. I did the same, and I stayed at the bottom here.
It's a great example of why I try not to do that.
That's
in
why Nick and
my
I do
cash
not
account.
trade long, because we'll give it all back.
Also, a
Karma,
good
you're
example
usually like a
of
one and done kind of guy too, right?
Yeah, for sure. If
Life's
I'm taking
easier
a good
that way.
setup in the first 30 minutes, I'm shutting my computer down.
Life's easier that way.
yep.
Today was definitely a tough day though.
What is GC doing? XY, are you still in it?
Yeah, I'm just sitting along from 60.
Oh, I didn't even know you switched.
Gold?
Yeah, you reversed. Excuse me.
Oh, yeah, I flattened out earlier on the way down. I don't remember where I took it, but not the lows for sure.
The mental illness is off the charts with this group. That's 100% true.
Someone said that in the chat.
Yes. I mean,
Thanks.
I think majority of us trade pretty much full time, if not all of us. So yes, we there is something of mental illness here, 100%.
Too much Tylenol.
Comes with the territory.
All right, let's flush.
Yeah, NQ's got room for 100.
Yep.
NQ hovering over that quarterly open.
Yeah, I will do that as well. Let me get a new tab. Oops. I'm going to share the actual leaderboard of the traders that are doing much better than all of us, running away with this for the $100,000. So I think it's actually pretty tight near the top. So we'll get that
The one's about
shared
to
so
hit
you guys can
5K.
see it. You have to actually like be logged in and registered to see the true leaderboard. So give me a second.
Pretty crazy too, like
Oh,
5K in profits
Seriously.
of a 10K account
hang on, guys. Bear
off pretty
with me
much just
here.
micro contracts.
Micros pay. I know a lot of people don't like micros, but they definitely pay.
It's because I was on the wrong page. All right, so here is the leaderboard for all the folks that are trading much better than us. We have first, second, and third separated by less than $200. So it is still like
Dude, 1 and
anybody's
2,
race
that
here.
must
Top
be,
5 is within $500.
that's scary for number 1 right now. 2 and 3 are right next
Yeah.
to him.
And it's so easy with all of these different products and a couple, a mini in the RTY that you could easily screw this up very fast. So good luck to these people. Remember, top 10 each get the bare minimum $10,000. First place gets 100. Second and third each get $25,000, and fourth through 10 get 10K. So a lot of cash on the line, and it is super tight in the top 10 right now. So I have this
One bad trade, the 1
yeah.
and 2 will just flip. Not even a bad trade, just a loss.
So we'll keep checking in on this. And back to the charts.
Just stalling here. Where are the sellers when you need them?
Where they usually are, eventually ready to get absolutely punched in the face and leave me high and dry when I am short.
This is looking very bear flaggish.
It would not be a good session or a normal session to me if sellers do not find a way to fall all over themselves again.
Is this how they do it, Nick?
What?
Is this when it happens?
Oh, this is 100% a moment that I could see them just like NQ just heading back up to 25K or something. Like sellers just somebody big like gets another new low here, like a good stop run type puke, and then leaves everybody else high and dry. And we go back up to like 6,700 on the S&P. And I mean the old SPX, not ES.
ES is really trying to buy through this right now. I think
Do
if
I
they
need to long
can't-
it?
Huh?
Do I need to long it?
He's about to
Right
ruin your
now,
trade.
if you want, yeah, go ahead and long that. Go ahead and long that for me.
I don't trust you.
I wouldn't trust me either. I'm down $1,000.
It's fine. I was down $1,000 twice today.
Can I pull a Nick and just reverse it? You're just looking at me like first time?
Yeah. Those are rookie numbers. Just once? I do not know how XY you actually trade on the desktop for this. I'm looking at too many things. I have to use the web for the different DOMs and charts. Just way easier to manage.
I don't have DOMs up. I only have the NQ one, so I'm kind of blind. Just trying to get some big P&L, right? And then it went the other way. So I've got big P&L, but reverse.
We
That's
have
how it
Kane in the
goes.
chat saying what's up.
What's up, Kane?
Kane, aren't you supposed to be on a beach somewhere, sir? Or are you leaving like today?
Yeah, I heard you're on vacation.
Another new low.
Yeah, flush it, please. He's on the plane right now.
Attaboy. Still
Tuned in.
Kane loves to join us from the skies.
Gold came all the way back to my entry.
Ouch.
I hate them.
I mean, this is pretty nasty. From that push
I
up
really
to
do
like
think NQ's got
25,000.
room. NQ's got room for 750s.
Yeah.
At this point, there's
What
like
was-
not much in the
What
way.
was Friday's low? Like 680s?
Wait, XY, would you say what level?
I would say like 750s. There's
All
not
right,
much
cool. I have
volume in the
740.
way until then.
Yeah.
760s, 750s.
Oh no, it was like 600 almost. 630s?
627 looks like ish.
Yeah.
625, something like that. Yeah.
Yep. And that was like shortly off the open and we were just
They-
gone.
Probably won't find much of a bid until 50s, 750s.
What's 300th place money? I think it's like $100.
Yeah, it's $100.
Yeah, 11th. Yeah. So top 10 gets you at least 10K, but if you're 11th, unfortunately, you only get $100.
Better than nothing.
But
I got
yes,
a question for you guys. What the hell does 6-7 mean?
I don't
No
know.
idea. And what is this like may I meet you thing?
Oh, that's from the goat.
Billy.
Yeah, that's from the goat, man.
I still don't get it.
I think he was just on something about, oh, how do you meet women? And he goes, this is how I meet women. He just introduces himself
You
and
know,
says, may I meet you? And the
that might
internet just
work for
ran
a
wild with it.
65 billionaire.
It's so weird.
Honestly, with that much money, he can say whatever the hell he wants and it'll probably work.
Right? Like he might not have to say anything. He's pretty recognizable, I think.
He can literally probably walk up to you and say, you're allowed to meet me now. And it will just run from there. Fractal says, I can explain 6-7. 6-7 means medium. Medium,
Yeah, I don't know
like
what that
mid?
means.
Like that's whatever's.
Guys, does that make us old?
100%.
No one
I don't like
knows what
that.
it means. No one can tell me.
Oh, by the way, NQ did sweep that quarterly open. We're seeing buyer step in there.
I think everyone in the chat's old because no one knows what it is either. It's a meaningless joke for high school kids. They're in on a joke. Okay. I have no idea. Kids have no idea what it means. A Philly rap song. Ah. So 6-7 in the Philly rap song is similar to 187 in West Coast rap. And they just decided to make it a whole different thing. Is that what you're saying, Fractal? 6-7 is their 187.
Someone on Twitter just tagged me. They're chatting with one of my impersonators and they said, may I meet you? Throwing the bot off. It's actually hilarious.
Oh, what a bid, huh?
Yeah, here they come.
Hope they get smacked right back down. Guys, Russell is definitely leading this down.
You guys all short the Russell with 1 mini right now?
I am in shorts on everything. ES, NQ, and the Russell. It's the only way I can catch up to Nick.
Okay, so 6-7 means nothing. Got it. One person says it's demonic. Hey, Pax.
Pax is in the house. That means he didn't see us trying to knife catch. That's great.
It's not too late. I'm just literally short everything now, and I'm gonna sit in this.
Wait, Pax, does that mean that we should cover at 85 or? He said 68. This is okay. I have 670.
Wow, gold is really puking.
Good thing I covered 15 points ago.
I'm trying to see where I should cover. I will cover one now. Or not. Let's see, we can get the 30s maybe.
Someone said cover at 6.7.
I might actually. Well, we're in the 45s now. Jeez. I'll cover
Dump it.
one.
Nick, you're not going to take a trade?
I am currently
Nick, you should get long.
NQ.
Yeah, you should be long. I like
yeah.
Are you
that
long,
idea.
Nick?
Yeah.
Long ES too.
No.
Long gold, yeah. Wow, gold is
No.
really going.
I'm not.
Maybe they can get Friday low on gold. I'm gonna try that.
I don't like how quiet everyone is.
Oh,
I'm gonna
man.
trail.
GC just puked again.
Yeah, I'm trailing gold now.
Holy dump.
Wow.
All right, Nick, add
More,
to those
more.
longs. Add to those longs.
I'm flat.
Come on.
Should be adding long.
I thought I had a
It's
chance.
cheaper. It's cheaper. Don't you want to buy more? Prior day low, maybe. Yes. Okay, I think gold's gonna actually hit prior day low. I might just flatten this gold short now. All right, I'm gonna get out of my gold short. Did not see that coming.
Do not push back up. Just drop again. This is the only way I beat Nick. Nick, it's for the kids.
It is for the kids.
It is. It is.
Wow, gold is just puking. Gave up that low volume spot. Brushed prior day low.
I think there's a Fed speaker speaking right now. Just got stopped out of NQ.
I just flattened everything.
I'm getting back in though. They just wanted to retest that quarterly open.
Kane, Carmine's mega locked in right now. He can't come to the phone, all right? Can't come to the phone right now.
Yeah. Don't text me right now.
Stop calling him.
I felt my phone vibrating in my pocket too.
Someone in the chat said, never seen everybody so focused for so long. Trying to win. We're trying not to lose, actually.
So you sure that's your phone? I fucking hate this chat.
Oh, there's my TP on Russell. Sheesh.
Are you guys reading this chat on YouTube?
Yeah, we
Yes.
have like
Yeah, you can pop out the
Mm.
chat.
Let me see.
Yeah, I appreciate that, baby whale. Yeah, the playbook's free, guys. So if you want to learn how to make or how to lose $1,000, it's there. It's free. Check it out. Check it out. Get you right. You paid $150? I don't know who you paid, but it didn't go to me.
I took one of Kane's signals today that he puts in his chat room, and I made $380.
Kane's got a signal
I get them
room.
sent right to my phone.
Kane, why don't you ever send me that? Come on, man. Whoa, whoa. Salma
What's
and
going
Nick.
let's
on?
go. Come on.
Oh, man.
Oh, it's happening. Let's go.
This is actually, it's getting a little dicey, huh?
Nick, I need you to go long, please.
She actually might make me have to continue to trade.
Uh-oh.
Yep.
Uh-oh.
It's for
Oh,
the kids.
man. You got it.
Oh, I'm
Uh-oh.
trailing this down. I'm not. Hold on,
Nick,
let me get up.
if you don't start trading, everyone's gonna assume that you hate the kids.
Basically. I actually left a lot on the table there with Russell.
This thing is really selling. Both.
Friday's low on ES. 70s?
Prior day low. It's
Yeah,
close.
70s.
It is 70s. Yeah.
I'm ready to get stopped out here. I'd happily get stopped out. Oh, number one. Nick, what are we doing?
Ooh, oh no.
Hey, there's plenty of time here. Not
I'm
worried.
one.
Oh yeah, you
No,
guys still
I'm
got
clipping
power
that.
hour.
I'm clipping that for memories.
Nick's about to step over Tyronn Lue.
Nick is the rabbit, Salmon's the turtle. Damn, he's in a trade. What did you take?
I am trying to get long gold.
I just got stopped out of NQ.
Just so close to Friday low. If you guys, yeah, chat, if you guys want me to relay questions to Carmine, it's going to cost you money.
No, let me see. Hold on. I just pulled up the chat.
It's going to cost you money.
Let me see. You asked Carmine if he had any cutlets today. Not yet. What's the leaderboard looking like? Wow,
Neck and neck.
5,600 in first place.
Dude, these guys are crazy. Actually, the top 5 have completely flipped. These are not the same people anymore.
They are not.
Yeah, someone caught they caught the shorts for sure.
All right, I'm gonna take a page out of Nick's book. I'm gonna just say cash.
You're first?
I'm first, yeah. Nick, just let me have it. Come on, you already proved yourself. I'm joking.
There's so much time left. Although, if I promise this, whatever mine is at the RTH close, that's where it's gonna end. I ain't sitting here during maintenance hour or whatever it's called and trying to scalp some points.
Yeah, I think I may have probably I don't think it goes till 5. I could be wrong. I think it ends at 4.
Is it ending before or after the cash settlement?
I think it's after, right?
After?
And till it's like closed. So the machines are off, the lights are off.
Yeah, but they're not gonna crown the winner like on stream.
I don't know.
That's the only reason I'd say 4, but
I don't know. Well, you guys are like $1 apart right now. It's actually insane.
are we?
Yeah.
He just took first place.
It's got to be a long. Yeah.
Yep. I'm long.
Oh, it ends. Shab just confirmed it ends at 5.
Can we end ours at 4, Shab? So that we don't have to I don't have to watch.
First and second place are just sitting there while nothing moves just to make sure. Wow, Jade just busted a super comeback.
Oh wow, yeah, he
He's
did.
positive 500.
He's probably short everything.
Yeah.
Full size.
Everything you can get your hands on. It's the only way to do it today. Go big or go home.
Oh, are they going to come all the way back?
Holy crap. That's a nasty candle on Russell.
I never hear good things about the Russell. It's always like, look, there's Russell dying again. Nasty candle on Russell.
Was good in 2021. It was really
On the
good.
Russell?
Mhm. Well, because they were like cutting all the rates, so it was, just like flying. And then 2022, it was pretty nasty. But so far this year, Russell did pretty good overall compared to the last few years.
2022 was the best, man. Looks like
Damn,
the
I don't have any
seven,
levels here on NQ.
they're gonna test the volume down there finally around the 760, 750s. Friday low, yes, soon.
Damn, we're all locked in.
Oh, so we are actually coming up on the completion of some fib targets in the ES. For whoever's asking.
He is still just tickling that Friday low. Wow, they are selling the shit out of this NQ down here.
Someone in the chat said that Trump is speaking. Is he?
It's ahead of schedule. I have it for the close, 2 p.m.
He's just talking about the World Cup. He'll probably still say something though, knowing him.
There we go.
Yeah, he tends to just riff.
Crude Wall says check gold. What am I checking on gold right here?
Gold is dying.
I think gold bounces here, actually. I'm long. I'm long gold 21. I have this area marked. I've got 4015 to 4002 marked on gold. Oh, Nick, you got a $200 lead now. Huh?
Do I?
Close, man.
It's just $100.
I mean, it's so close, and things
It's
are moving. So this
close.
could anybody.
It's one trade. It's a matter of one trade.
Yeah.
Hey, these gold longs though.
feel like we got to break that Friday low on ES.
It's literally right there.
Right there. It's going to break it.
Yeah, I think we do. Again, Russell leading the way down.
Going on with gold.
Eh, small bid. I have it marked as an area for bid, so I'm long it right now, but they're doing their best. They're not doing too much.
Pax is asking if anyone is in here. That we're so quiet.
I'm here.
Gotta
Pax.
lock in, Pax.
Hello, Pax. Yeah, like his segment of the stream was pretty lively.
Wait a minute.
I mean, ES is sitting at negative 13K delta right now, so it's just kind of a weird spot. Anything can happen.
I really think they cracked the Friday low at the very least. So close to it.
I feel like it's inevitable.
Yeah, super close to it. It's pretty heavy low still. I mean, they're just building this volume out.
Nick, you in anything?
Just tried to get long gold.
Yeah, what is gold doing? Come on, Russell, take us down.
Come on, gold, move.
Gold still trying to figure out its feelings right here.
I know. Hmm.
Friday low is coming.
Oh, gold,
Pax
you
said,
jerk.
Pax, that might be the funniest thing I've ever heard anyone
Wow.
say on stream. He said, I pray every day, but it is not a trade plan. Yes, it is.
It's a lot of people's trade plans. It's not to say that it works.
It's actually hilarious. Okay, I'm flat on everything. I think I'm just gonna chill out. Nick, floor is yours.
Very nice.
Got a whole
Nice
hour.
work.
Pax is telling me to get back in. I'll do it.
Oh God, I really have to trade now, don't I?
Is it possible? Prior day low, peak and fail?
Man, just nothing from buyers.
Mm. Delta is like super negative, man. Especially on ES.
Yeah, I got negative 15K delta.
Here are the 750s, 760s.
We're pretty close to Pax's target here.
2 sets of single prints now.
There's just 0 buyers on the Russell.
So I always hear.
No, this is like really bad.
So we're just kind of dripping lower, it looks like. Negative 18K delta in the ES.
There's just not enough buyers in the indices right now. Like sellers are still just crossing spread down here. They don't care.
Yeah, I don't know what SPX is at right now, but I guess I'm just waiting to see what happens.
Yeah, this is just violence to the downside right now.
Yeah, they're
Insane.
selling
And I've
shit out of this.
just continued to take paper cuts here.
See what the VIX is at.
VIX is at 23 and change.
VIX or VIX futures?
VIX.
Yeah.
23.30 looks like, but
Yeah,
actually
VIX is
check
ripping.
a real
Gold's giving a
platform for
rally.
this
From
thing.
like 11, it just was a ripper.
Yeah, 23.30. All right, I'm long.
I don't think ES has made its low yet.
Hey guys,
Hey, Jim.
Up.
I am super stressed out watching this thing, man. I'm gonna go get another blood pressure pill.
It is stressful.
Get me one
especially-
too.
Well, I love you all, so I want you all to win, but so there could only be one. All right, we are, I think, ready. Great job, everybody. By the way, let's get some thumbs up going. Let's hit that subscription button. Look at the intensity. Where are you going to find a group of intense traders all together with everything on the line other than NinjaTrader Live? I mean, this is fantastic, you guys. Thank you so much for being there. Love those thumbs up. Thank you for that. These guys are laying it on the line. So thank you. All right, so we are going to go ahead and do a quick transition, everybody. Market Mommy, XYZ, Carmine, thank you so much for being here with us this afternoon. Appreciate you. And we are going to bring in Tanya Trades and Chris Trading Boxes.
Bye, guys.
Hey, friends.
Hey,
Yo.
Hello.
how's it been going? Oh my gosh, what a meltdown.
I feel like, Tanya, you've had like the best time because you've been sitting at $800 like the entire day and have had no stress versus me having to continually battle my way back.
That's a choice,
So-
Nick.
It is a
You know what?
choice.
You're right. I fell to the peer pressure and then Salma made me sweat a little bit and I gave back, money that I could still be. Oh, I guess she's making moves now too, a little higher, but I was sitting at 1400. So did this to myself.
Guess
Hey,
who's
it's
sitting
okay.
hey, guess
You
who's
ain't
sitting at
first, you're last.
1400 now? I'm joking, Nick.
You
Yeah,
ain't
great
first or
job,
last.
Salma.
That's how it goes sometimes. I mean, that's how that's where I did myself dirty last couple times is I would like trade the entire day and do some like silly things. So
Mhm.
but you're the comeback king here. You were up, then you were like negative for a minute, right, in the morning, and then you guns swinging, slinging, whatever, like then you made it back to first place. Now you're in a good spot right now, but here we go. I basically was like, yeah, I'm gonna chill now. And then, I had my little personal training session and I was like, okay, we'll have to end it a little bit earlier so I can make my way back and see what the market has done. And here we are. We have been bleeding, you guys. Let's see what can happen during power hour. Looks like ES hit Friday's low. NASDAQ not yet there. So chat, do you guys think we'll get to Friday's low on NASDAQ, or is that like a divergence and we'll have another pump up? Because the morning was definitely really back and forth. Look at the hourly. We didn't really break down until after lunch. I said I have my bear hat on. I feel like I'm just gonna look for more shorts. Yeah, but yeah, my strategy was like kind of let's see if they could kind of maybe dig themselves into a hole before I come back. But you guys did really well. Now I'm in third place. So now it's up to me, I guess. I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah, definitely dug myself into a hole several times today. So there's that.
But dude, you came back like so many times and it's like just impressive. Are you more of a scalper?
I mean, I may hit a decent trade and not trade the rest of the session kind of guy. So this is
You're
always
today.
Well,
You're like one or two trades and you're done.
Usually, yeah. Like especially if they're like solid green trades. Like I'm not somebody that sits at the desk here, but this is a good example of like why I don't, just because it's so easy to go green to red. I mean, you can battle your way back kind of like I did, but sometimes I just like to take the money off the table and leave the casino.
Yeah, I mean, that's basically like how they get you, right? You just keep, I think that I was talking to Kane before at one point, or maybe I was even watching one of his interviews, who knows? But he's like, the longer you stay in the market, you know, the more open you are to risk. So the more that I kind of view it the same way, the more trades I try, the more risk I'm taking on. So if I am up decent amount, then like I'll like to, that's why I did approach it today a little bit better, where I was like, okay, let's actually stop here. Let's have a little lunch break. Because in the past I have just gone. By the way, to the producers, is this challenge over at 4 or 5 p.m.? I need to know. So, and if it's 4 p.m. there might be something and I'm still in second place, maybe battle it out. Or is it over at 4?
You can keep going until 5 Eastern.
Oh, okay. Let me check the online arena cup. Oof. Let's see.
Whoa, it's telling me I
Yeah,
can't
5
trade the
p.m.
Russell.
5 p.m. All right. So,
I bought these.
decisions.
See if we bounce.
Guys, are you guys able to place a trade on the Russell?
I'm
getting.
Are you trying to bait me right now?
No, seriously. I'm trying right now and it's saying non-tradable symbol. That's weird.
RTY?
Yeah.
I'm currently in a RTY long.
Yeah, T was able to be in a RTY before.
Oh, really? I was in it. Yeah, I've been in it this whole time as well, but now all of a sudden it's telling me I can't. All right. Maybe it's a sign.
Let's see, chat. What do you guys think? Are you going to get to that previous weekly low on NASDAQ, 24,626? It's power hour right now. Anything can happen. Let's see who's like, let's see the leaderboard right now. Okay. First place is Yito at almost $6,000. Woo! Second place is Eddie at 57.60, and third place is Nobu at 56.93. So these guys have all neck and neck. The top 5 are all 5,500 plus. Kudos to you guys. Honestly, today was a pretty large range. So I think people maybe that also trade the Russell really well. They probably really. You guys did crazy because it wasn't a one directional day. So great job to Yito, Eddie, and Nobu. But it's until 5 p.m. And here we are amongst ourselves. Salma is in first place at 1382. Nick for a tick. He's in second. He's right behind at 1200. And here I am. I've been at 800.8. I'm in third place amongst us. And, you know, I am going to be looking for a trade here during the afternoon session. But I pretty much just got to my charts, so this is going to be interesting.
Chris, how you feeling?
I'm in some longs, but it's not really seeing any follow through at the moment. So maybe NQ will want to go for prior week low.
Don't say that. I'm long, sir.
I'm long too. I wanted to go up. But we're just ES is struggling at this prior week low.
Yep.
NQ at this 800 area.
Uh-oh. I don't like that.
Dump it.
Yeah, it's still struggling.
Someone's probably in shorts. Just like dump it.
Dump it.
Uh-oh. The awkward moment when you're fading your competitor.
Sorry, Nick. We can be friends after 5.
That's fine with me.
Deal.
I'm Sleepy Trade says dump truck. Ooh.
Oh, NQ, you are awful.
She's toxic. She's toxic. Yeah, ES struggling at that Friday low. Damn, we dumped.
This is gonna go lower.
Why'd we gotta do this dump during my workout? Oh well, let's see. Oh wow, wow, wow. All right.
Oh,
I think power hour is gonna be really interesting. Don't we have a Fed speaker at 3:35? FOMC member Waller is speaking. Dun dun dun. Okay.
All right, so I closed the longs and I got short. See if NQ comes down to prior week low.
Damn, you want that big of a drop?
It's just so close to it. I mean, it's not that close, but it's still 140.
140.
Yeah, it's still a
Let's
lot,
go.
quite a bit.
I'm trailing everything. I'm not letting anything go red.
Buyer.
Yeah, Salwa, you've been pretty solid on the leaderboard. You've like pretty much you trail pretty aggressively, right? Because
Tanya, not this morning. The only reason I'm really trailing so hard is because I was just trying to micromanage my positions so I can come back from. I was like $1,000 down this morning.
honestly, the comeback's always bigger than the setback.
It's what they say.
It's what they say. Right.
If NQ could just send it, that'd be very encouraging. And while NQ is trying to send it above 800, there is still time for you to register for the swag giveaway. The link is in the chat, and I highly recommend you fill out said form because you do not actually need to be here to claim your prize.
Oh, that's good.
Tanya's repping right now.
Yeah, I got the hat on. I'm pouring some water into my own NinjaTrader mug too. I'm gonna drink. I'm all NinjaTrader today.
Is the water NinjaTrader?
Yes. Straight from Delhi's backyard. All right. From his country club, golf creek. All right, all right, all right.
Still don't get why I can't trade R2I.
Restart it. Oh, no, you're on trading.
There you go. It worked. It worked. It worked. I just needed to look it up again.
Trump said we will be selling 535s to Saudi Arabia.
Do we bounce?
That is a jet. All right.
Oh, Pax is long, guys.
Well, that's a good.
Well, I don't like
Not
that. I'm
everybody
getting out of
else.
my positions. No, thank you. Oh. Damn.
Guess I'm just riding these longs.
I guess I'm flipping long.
Can't believe GC shook me out of that long too. Got spooked at that we were going to take out that previous week low.
That's a nice bounce in it. All right, so indices bouncing
said he was
now.
long, we just pumped.
Dude's
he's
a
putting
market
on some
maker.
size.
He's
I
the
think
real
that
market
clearly
maker.
that was PAX on the bid that just sent us higher.
Exactly. All right.
Yeah, we just cannot hold NQ over 800 right now.
Yeah, it's struggling at 800. Yes, fighting that prior week low.
Oof. All right. What a wild push. Wow. What was that? Like a
It's a nasty
33-point
wick.
pop, then a 43-point drop. Okay. I'm basically eyeing to see if there's any divergence at any high to just kind of potentially find a short. I don't know. We'll see. I'm not in a position as of right now. I could see us retracing because, you know, ES hit Friday's low, NASDAQ didn't. Sometimes that provides some sort of short-term reversal.
PAX needs to buy some more.
Pump it, pump it.
Not doing a whole lot of nothing here, just sideways. It's attempting, it's trying.
You guys had a wild, like, there was a wild drop while you guys started like at 130, right? Yeah, start out with 145. So you guys went short probably. That's how you guys got in the lead ahead of me. Oof. All right.
All right, I'm flat everything. Just gonna wait because I don't love that we just cannot hold this. I also hated my entry on ES.
These are some nasty wicks.
Wicks be wicking.
Yeah, we're consolidating here for another short-term move.
I have a hater in the chat.
Who's hating?
Well,
Hater in the chat.
it's normal.
It's okay. I still have 40 more minutes. It's not over till it's over. I think my screen is frozen though.
Is Nick the only one using volume profile? I don't know. I don't know if Chris, I don't think you use volume profile.
No.
Yeah. So just me.
What is the volume profile telling you now? Agree.
Yeah. We're still in price discovery mode here. I mean, I liked the low before. I don't know if I want to continue to try to long this.
Yeah, it's down to you and Salma. Let's do a side bet here, Tanya, on who wins, Nick or Salma.
What's happened?
Let's do a side bet. I'm not in a trade.
Let's see this.
I can retry again.
Let's see. Let's see.
All right, just did it. Thanks, Pax.
We've just been like We'll see if ES can come back above, like, close back above 66.75s.
Dang it.
Yeah, it looks like
trying.
I'll be back in 2 seconds.
looks like my screen is still frozen. What is that all about?
Dang it, dang it, dang it.
All right.
That's annoying.
66, 50, 66, 69.
Let's go. Let's push.
Are you long now?
I've been long and I kind of I had a really bad entry, but I'm still holding. So Trump is speaking though. Oh,
Yeah.
Tracy just said he's done talking. So
Are
never
you
mind.
speaking? He's done now? All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, you did 26 seconds ago. Last thing he said, Mexico knows where I stand. I'm not happy with Mexico. Okay.
Nick, is this what afternoons feel like?
Sometimes, yeah.
Gosh. That's why I don't trade these times.
I mean, I didn't either until I started doing the show. I usually am sitting outside doing a lot of other things
Touching grass.
versus potentially giving back morning gains.
Right?
But we do it to keep you fine people in the chat entertained.
We lose for you.
We have a vote in the chat today for the afternoon, whether they're bullish, bearish, or neutral. See.
15-minute looks good for, a little push higher.
What moving average is that you have up there? On the
9
15? Is
EMA.
that the 9 MA?
Yeah.
That's all I look at too.
Yeah, it's the only one I have. It's my favorite.
NQ can just not get off the mat.
Just need the Russell to push here a little bit. Just the one lagging behind.
Someone said, Tanya, double up, catch him. I'm scheming, I'm planning right now. You gotta see something good, then I'll be ready. Don't worry. We got a Fed speaker in 9 minutes. All right, so
So slow.
Yeah, I don't like how nothing is happening.
Bounce is acting like it wants to get sold off again. Should have seen a stronger push already.
right, I got some espresso. Maybe the NASDAQ needs a kick, caffeine kick. You guys aren't ready to this shot of espresso?
I have Duncan.
Go!
Oh, you didn't film me. Jerks.
What happened?
I was trying to short the Russell.
Please don't.
I haven't even seen the leaderboard. What are we sitting at?
You're up by $30.
Oh, geez. 30 minutes left. Didn't get my rusty fill at 47s.
Does Waller usually say, how does he affect the market typically?
I actually don't know. I don't remember. I
I
recollect
hate
Waller is more dovish.
I hate how now when they speak, it has so much more weight on the market.
Now
Low
we
key, Tanya is one
got the
trade
price
away from
wrong.
taking this. Tanya, how do you feel about that? You've been so
I
patient
am.
all
I am
afternoon.
one trade away. I feel as pressure's on, you know? I'm only gonna take something if it speaks to me. It's gotta say,
Waller,
Tanya, take me, take me.
Waller
Take
is a
this
dove. Thank you,
trade.
Tracy.
Sarah says if we don't break away above the last 30-minute high in 1 minute, then we're gonna get stuck sideways. I can see that. Or maybe at 10:35, Waller's gonna say something.
No, this 30 minutes setting up nicely for just a little pushback up higher. This is a good setup. It just we need the bulls to show up. Yeah, let's go, Sarah. Someone said Selma has to be new. The Fed speakers have always impacted the market. Yes, I know that. It just meant ever since the government shut down, we haven't had any data to look for or look towards. So every time the Feds have spoken, it's actually had an effect. Whereas in the past, you know, if it was a heavy data day and then Fed speakers were speaking, it would be, you know, more on the muted side.
Don't
So
worry, you don't gotta justify yourself.
no, I
Talking
wanted to say
smack.
that. So I know Fed speakers affect the market.
People always talking smack, don't worry.
It's okay.
It's part of the fun.
I actually find it hilarious.
Part of the fun. I think we just made a double equal high there. No more S&T.
All doing. Man, that 800 level in NQ is just
Yep.
shall not pass.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna go flat. Just chill out for a bit.
Jesus, banks.
Russell's looking a little scary here. Not gonna lie. Just this 9 EMA, it can't break it. Yep, there it is.
On the leaderboard, Yito is still number 1 at 5,800. See. Eddie number 2, right, like literally $10 behind. So like top 3 are literally neck and neck. It's anyone's game. Look, Eddie, Yito, Nobu. It's between them 3. I mean, really top 5. The winner gets 100K cash. It's crazy.
Yeah, that's crazy. Is that guy, is the first place guy on here on the chat or no?
Probably not. I don't know. We'll so maybe he's too focused.
Yeah, he's probably locked in.
What's up, Fractal?
It's so tight in that top 10. Like the names have changed the last, I mean, since I've been on stream, it continues to kind of change. So, and it can change in a heartbeat.
Oops. Yeah. Literally.
Looking at the wrong chart. There we go.
Walter is starting. Alrighty.
Walter, the Fed speaker?
Waller, yeah.
Waller.
What's he gonna say?
Yeah, Russell is super weak here, guys. Probably new lows.
Yeah, couldn't get above 800. Yes, flirting with prior week low. I mean, NQ is probably consolidating now from move into prior week low. If we can't reclaim 800.
Damn, Nick's been quiet.
Yeah, I'm just trading.
He's moving up. Nick, someone said to ask you about brisket.
Distract him, ask about brisket. Thanks, Phoenix. I appreciate you being here, as always.
Yeah, what's the right temperature to microwave brisket on?
Well, first of all, if you microwave a brisket, someone deserves to just come into your home and do bad things.
Uh-oh.
You don't microwave it?
You do not microwave it, unfortunately.
Do you boil it?
That might be worse.
Okay.
But yeah, we gave away that brisket, and I believe our friend in the chat is going to be cooking it for Christmas.
Mm.
I mean, we're just hugging last week's low right now.
This is tough, yeah.
Merit's in there. Mm.
Come on.
And someone else is the number one right now, Oddity 1.
Yeah, ES is leading. NQ right behind it. I mean, it probably pops on a reclaim of this 800 here if it can finally do it. Maybe I fancy him. Genius.
Guys, 10 minutes left to enter the giveaway.
10 minutes left. Uh-oh. Less than 10 minutes away.
Are we
Winners
announcing
are
that
announced before the end
the
of the
close?
stream.
Oops. That is not what I wanted to do. Yeah, no.
This is so close.
Between you guys?
Yeah.
Man, this price action sucks. I feel like you can't be like aggressive in the afternoon versus like the open or the first 2 hours when there's usually more volume.
Mm-hmm. Well, I think the last 15 minutes probably could be something. Nick, what time are you usually streaming here?
Typically, I mean, we've done like trade the close basically since March. So usually the
Every day.
power hour, not every day, but yeah, usually like Mondays and Wednesdays.
Oof,
I'm doing that.
Okay, so I'm at a disadvantage there.
Yeah, but
He's new
I have been very transparent. I am a terrible power hour trader because I don't usually trade at this time.
Oh no, I think he's hustling me, you guys.
Yeah. You always say one thing, but then the opposite happens.
I mean, since I came on this stream, I have done nothing but lose money.
We should do a competition with just the first 3 hours. See who wins those. That's where everybody's the most active. Like NQ going for that prior week low.
I exited NQES shorts. Just gonna hold Russell.
RTY shorts. Oh, that looks pretty good.
Yeah, once I get stopped out of this, I think I'm done. And then just leave it be. That's it.
Tanya, you look like a sniper. You do. That's what they're saying in the chat.
That's what I look like?
You kind of do, though.
All right. I'll take that.
She looks undercover.
Market's heavy. Do we get 66.43 in ES and then prior week low in NQ if we break to new lows?
I think it's possible.
Damn, these are gonna be the longest 20 minutes.
Somebody needs a Fed cut ASAP.
Yeah, we need an emergency rate cut immediately.
I mean, what Waller just said is, he said, it is unlikely that any data, including the upcoming jobs report, would change the view that another rate cut is in order. So.
Yeah, that's pretty dovish. I hate that we've literally been stuck in this, whatever you want to call this little consolidation down here.
You guys have been managing well in this because I'm taking a trade because I don't do well in this kind of back and forth.
Well, this is the afternoon, Tanya. Welcome.
I'm saying
This is what we deal with sometimes.
Because you guys pulled ahead of me quite a bit. I'm like kind of waiting for a specific setup. We'll see. Yeah, I know. The afternoon goes like that, but maybe like the last 15 minutes can get real crazy. It'll be crazy. It'll be nice if we close on the end lows of the day, to be honest. What does chat think? Do you guys think that we could run another 150 points to downside in the last 15 minutes of the day? Maybe. How much have we moved today so far? Let's see. What's the range? Pretty big range. 624 points. Yeah, it's the ATR was like 500 on the NASDAQ the last 5 days. So, yeah.
Nick, are you trading here?
520.
Am I trading? Yes.
Yeah, you're trying to get to that number one.
Well, I've got 15 minutes. I mean, Salma can chase me down after 4 p.m. Eastern if she so chooses. I don't know if I
Yes,
want to
imagine if I
continue
pull
to
ahead after
trade.
4.
Right after the New York Bell, if I am doing the stream or something, usually at that point, I'd just like to go downstairs, hang with my daughter, and kind of start my wind down for the rest of the day.
What's your wind down look like?
Usually getting out of the house, taking the baby out somewhere, adventure, groceries, just something to get at, because I've been staring at screens for potentially extended period of time, especially when I do trade the close. So I like to at least get out of the house for a little bit, especially if I haven't seen the sun, which today is one of those days since I've been doing this all day.
Yeah, we gotta go. We gotta touch some grass sometimes.
Well, I had like the weird, like I feel like Salma and I came in at the weird hour where I had to kind of trade in the morning, and then I didn't really get a lunch because I was going to be on shortly, and then you stay to the close in the top 4 here.
Yeah,
So
you had 10:30 to 12, right? Did you go
I
on with
had
tea? No, that's
one to basically the close.
oh, okay. Oh, okay, got you. So you had the whole afternoon basically.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
And
You
I
guys,
just
I was watching
had a
Pax earlier. I was cracking up, like just his commentary is just so funny.
yeah. Pax is always great. Pax always makes me laugh just listening to him. I enjoy Ferragamo Fridays for sure.
I know, I gotta trade with him on more in the background because I pulled ahead there while he was talking. He was like, I was like short and he was also talking about being short. I was like, awesome, I'm holding this.
Oh, Nick, back to number one. Nick, well, what are you thinking here for the donation here if you win first place?
Sorry, what was the question? I'm trying to manage this trade.
What are you thinking here for your the winning price here? What would you do? What would you pick to donate to? Or has that already been picked for us?
Yes, there is a donation being made in our name to St. Jude's.
Oh, okay.
Which is probably something I would have leaned towards. I always feel like some of the children's hospitals and like pediatric cancer and things are always things that I've always wanted to donate to when given the opportunity. So I think that fits into what I probably would have done in anyway. But I just flattened that long too.
Yeah, well, the way it always goes.
Yep. They're like, oh, he's out. All right, send it.
He sold pump it.
Yes, Pax. On Fridays when you're doing Ferragamo Fridays in the pre-market and things, I'm usually walking with my daughter in the stroller, and it's in my ears, and it's always just makes me laugh as I'm kind of walking around the neighborhood, listening to you and everybody else before the bell and when you guys start trading. Let's see here. Selma, you're long too. Oh my gosh, you were like nipping at my heels.
Dude, I'm not giving up. I want that donation in my name. We could put like and Nick and like really, 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 really tiny font.
I can't believe I flattened that NQ long at 800s. Finally broke out.
Yeah, is that not what you were looking for?
It was, but we've rejected so many times I was ready to paper hand it.
I don't like this pushback down. NQ wicked quarterly open.
If we lose 830s, we might just rotate back lower.
Come on, we're $5 away from each other. This is insane. Close the market.
Close the market.
Jeez.
Is this the moment when sellers finally fumble this day?
Oh, they're gonna stop me out. I just know it.
Attention
974.
traders, it's
Oh.
algo time.
Oh, it's 349.
974. The influencer's prize is a donation made in their name. That's what first place winner gets. There we go.
And Q still going.
Yeah, look at that bounce.
You know what? I'm gonna close out here. Actually, let Nick sweat a little bit.
That's what I get for closing my longs.
All right, they stopped me out. You guys can close the market now.
So I'm already, oh, you're at 1800. Dang.
1774 now. Of course, they stop me out and push it right back up. Oh, but Nick, this technically goes till 4. So if you want to call it
Till 5, yeah.
no, sorry, till 5. If you want to stick to your word and say you're not going to trade past RTH, I won't either.
I mean, I have no desire to do that.
All right.
So we'll
That
see how
Tanya,
things
that leaves
shake out.
Tanya,
I make
that,
no
that-
promises. I don't know.
Tanya, that leaves you with an
I don't
ability
know.
to
I gotta, yeah, it's my time. It's my time to shine.
you never know.
Mm-hmm. Never say never.
Nick, are you long or short?
Yes.
That's hilarious. Guys, do not congratulate in the chat, please. There's still 7 minutes left. It's a very long time.
We're gonna see. Yeah, we'll see how this goes.
I
A
actually
good day.
I hate trading into the close.
A very good day for a
YOLO.
competition, though. A lot of movement.
I gotta try my hand right now. Let's see where we at.
Damn, Nick is short because you just passed me. You sure about that?
Cue the cane gif.
You sure about that? You sure about that? You sure about that?
There it is. I don't even know what I'm short right now. I have literally everything.
Yeah, I'm short too. We'll see if I can catch up or not.
I hate that you're still making me trade.
No one's making you.
Oh, come on, Tanya.
Hmm.
All right, let's see, you guys. We'll see.
Who won the swag? We haven't announced it yet. I mean, there's still 5 minutes to enter if you have not. We are giving away a ton of NinjaTrader swag. Tanya's actually rocking the hat right now.
Oh yeah, let's see. Tanya, Tanya, let's go, let's go. We'll see. I mean, you guys, if we end up going lower, then I'll catch up a bit, but I don't know what my opponent's positions are. Also,
Oh,
look at
the
that.
double or
If
nothing.
we end up going back above this high, then we're cooked on the short side.
Let's go. I'm not giving up yet.
No.
Oh man, are they just gonna take me out on the double or nothing? The NQ MOC.
I know, that's basically what I did too.
Anybody else's heart racing or just me?
Just you.
All right.
No, you got me sweating and working here until the buzzer. So
I swear I need them to just close the market.
I mean, I think you might have this. That might have just ruined it.
Someone said at this point, just do a fist fight.
Rock, paper, scissors on stream.
Honestly, I could do that.
To see
I have
who'll
a
let
strat.
the other person win. That'd be cool.
I have a rock, paper, scissors strat.
Oh, I didn't realize how terrible my entry was on NQ.
Well, good job, everybody who competed today. Those of you in the chat watching.
Still got time. Yeah.
Very cool for Ninja to create this. Didn't
Yeah,
have this when I
definitely.
started
Leaderboard
out.
is right now. I mean, also this ends at 5, so the leaderboard has gone back and forth. Oddity is at 6276. Oh, Oddity is 6600. 6,600 at number 1 currently. Tony Ticks at second place, 6,395. And Meals at 5,896.
X.
Nick is still short. I can tell just by the fluctuation of the P&L and the candles.
Yep.
You gotta try. You
No,
know,
I think you have it. I'm like watching this and I don't love that we just
I don't
stopped
love
where
that
we
I-
stopped.
Wait, I see here both are at 1795.
Well, that's a little delayed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm actually
down
still
for
at 1795. I'm flat. I don't want to take anything unless he starts inching closer. 2 minutes left. That's a lot of time, guys.
Yeah, 2 minutes is a lot.
2 minutes left, Nick. Are you a 2-minute man or not?
Well,
Oh man.
Do it. 2.
my short's staying alive right now. For the moment. I have a feeling like right at 4 p.m. I'm gonna get stopped out of my short. I'm going straight up.
So close. Don't blink for the next minute.
Oh, I had longs that I just closed. Oh, come on. No.
No, I think she's got me.
Yeah. Push it. Somehow I got stopped at MNQ, but not EMES yet.
Yeah, I don't know, Nick. This candle is weird. I'm not even gonna try.
Oh, it's so close.
Yeah. It's literally like a $10 difference. Please just push.
Push it to the limit.
Nick, how many things are you in? Because your P&L fluctuated like $300 between this, like, back and forth.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
He's in everything.
10 seconds.
The indices are just not helping me.
5, 2.
Let's go. Let's
All right,
go.
well, that's the end of that.
So that'll do it. Salma wins.
That's it. Good job, guys. This was a rough day.
It was
Yeah.
definitely
Fantastic.
It was.
That was awesome, you guys. Great job.
Oh, hey, Jim.
What's up, Jim?
Hi, Jim.
Jimmy
Wow.
boy.
Well, the real winner is St. Jude's Children's Hospital. So thank you guys for doing this. It's spectacular.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks for having us.
Oh, boy.
Fantastic.
This was so cool. I'm not gonna lie. This was my first ever competition. Really my third live on stream. So this was awesome.
It was. You guys all did great. You know, the bigger competition is going to keep on going for another hour or so. That's close as well. I mean, Oddity's 6,600, Tony Lick's 6,500. I mean, they're within 30, 40, $50 of each other. So it'll be an exciting finish for those of you who are watching all the way to the end for the NinjaTrader Arena Cup Championship. So it's fantastic competition with thousands of traders participating over the course of the qualifiers in today's championship. So hats off to you guys. You're out there doing it. Before we leave, folks, let's we have some swag to give away.
Yeah.
Let's do it. We've got 3 winners have been chosen, and let's start from the start. Number 1 swag winner, including this hoodie that I have on, not mine, but a new one, presumably. James, to you, congratulations. Second, Smurf Investor, congratulations on the swag, Smurf. And then No Knocks, number 3. No Knocks, number 3. James, to you, Smurf Investor, and No Knocks.
Let's go.
Awesome. Great stuff. Thanks again, everybody. Thanks for the thumbs up, everybody. Thanks for the subscriptions. NinjaTrader community, the best community there is, hands down. I've been involved in, you know how many of them, an awful lot. Tomorrow, though, remember, we're going to be back 8 a.m. We're gonna start strong tomorrow again. We have Chris Irons as our special guest with me and Shai. We have T-Trades for a tape talk. Merritt Black and Christian trading boxes. Chris is coming back. Chris, we'll see you tomorrow morning trading the open. Midday
Yes,
markets. Nick is coming back in XYZ to trade the midday markets. And in the afternoon, we have Leo, XYZ, and Selma's coming back tomorrow afternoon.
Yes,
Very
tune in,
awesome.
guys.
Woo. All right. Thanks again. Appreciate everybody being here. Most important message of the day, as usual, please be safe out there. Be good to each other. We'll see you soon.
Thanks, everybody.
Bye,
Take care,
guys.
guys. Good job, everybody.
Thank you.